everyone, it's Tammy, and today we are going to be baking for Foodie Friday. And not only are we baking, but we are baking for the dogs. So I'm gonna make some pumpkin peanut butter dog treats. And this is the ingredients. Let's see, we need 1 egg, a cup of all-purpose flour, 1.5 cups of almond flour, a 1/2 cup of peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and it makes a point to say that cinnamon is safe for dogs in small quantities, but nutmeg is not, so don't use nutmeg for your dogs. A 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 cup of pumpkin, and then they used yogurt chips over the top. I don't have those, so I'm just going to eliminate that. I am going to open this can of pumpkin. And I believe this is going to make a lot of treats, and I'm not going to cut them out in any cute shape or anything. I'm just going to make little balls of treats. And I don't know if you can hear, but my dogs are licking up water in the background. It's kind of funny. So we need to add the water. So I have a 3/4 cup of water. Where do I have that? Oh, right here. And then I need 2 tablespoons of honey, and I am not going to measure this. I am just going to guesstimate it. Sorry. So 2 tablespoons of honey. There's 1. There's 2. I'll move that over there. A cup of pumpkin. This is 15 ounces, so that means about half of this. I'll have to find something yummy to do with the other half. And my egg, and then I'm going to combine these ingredients. My little Waylon is at my feet wondering what in the heck mommy is making. He's heard me say T-R-E-A-T lots. Hi, baby. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. So that's what this looks like so far. Just looks like pumpkin pie almost. And I know I'm using a dipper thing to mix. I don't even care. Use what you got. I have other, I just am choosing to use this. There's something from the egg in here and it's kind of grossing me out, so I'm going to take it out. Throw that in the trash can. Oops, I spilled. Oh well. Okay, so then I need to combine the dry ingredients. You know what? I'm gonna live dangerously. I'm just gonna add it all to here. Why? Because I want to. So, a cup of all-purpose flour. What? What you want, Winnie? And then a 1.5 cups of the wheat flour. This is actually almond flour. And if I didn't have any other flour, I would just use regular flour, but I like almond flour, so I have some. And it actually says instead of milk, you can use almond milk too. So 1.5 cups of that. And then 1/2 cup of peanut butter. And I know I'm using the same stir stick, but there's about a 1/2 cup left in here, so I'm just gonna put it all in here. Oh, and I didn't add the vanilla yet either, so I'll have to get that. So, how much vanilla? A 1/2 teaspoon or so. This is homemade vanilla that I made. Yummy. And let's see, a teaspoon of cinnamon and a tablespoon of baking powder. I think that's what it said. Yeah, because I was surprised it was so much, but a small palm full. Okay, I got stuff on this, so I want to clean it off before I forget that I had something on there. And put it away. Now I'm going to cheat and use a mixer. The recipe actually says to use your hands, but I'm not about that life right now. Smells really good. Oh, it smells like peanut butter. I just touched it to my nose. Dang that. Now I might want to add a little bit more flour because I'm supposed to be able to roll it at this point. I think, let me see. I'm going to add a little bit more flour. This is a lot of dough. Still feel like it's thicker than I need it to be. But I don't really want to add any more flour, so I'm just going to use it like this. Use it like this and use it like that. And if it didn't have a raw egg in it, I would go ahead and feed it to the dogs to see if they like it. But I don't know if they can handle raw egg, just like humans aren't supposed to, so I didn't get out my baking sheet. And you could roll it and make cute little shapes and make little dog bones or whatever. Or you could just do little plops. I should probably spray this first. Oh, goodness gracious, Tammy. Strength. And then I'm going to cook this at 350 degrees. And it says for about 20 minutes. So this is all I'm gonna do, and I will be back. Okay, so this is them fresh out of the oven. I am just putting them on a cooling rack. It's made a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 51, 52 of them. So it makes quite a bit of little treats. They are just coming right off there. I don't even need my little spatula. And my dogs are all sleeping right now, so I'm kind of whispering just because they are. And I will be back to let you guys see what they think of them as soon as they wake up. So I will return. Meanwhile, I'm going to go do a little bit of crafting while I have a minute with them sleeping. Okay, there is Sweet Waylon and Winnie, and Taz is here too, and they all want a treat. So let's see how they like them. Sorry, it's kind of cut off, but I'm trying to get as much of them as I can. All right. Who wants a treat? Who's a good boy? This is what they look like on the inside. Some for you, some for Winnie. You like them? Are they yummy? Yay, I think they're a hit. Waylon loves it. So does Tasman. Did you see that, Taz? Oh boy. You want some more, Winnie? Okay, Waylon. Tasman. Waylon. Oops. Winnie. All right, I think they're a hit, guys. They like them. Yay! I'm actually going to package some up. I made a cute little container for my friend, and I'm going to give them to her dogs from my dogs. So I'm going to package some up right now and get that ready. All right, considering that the dogs are still here wanting some more treats, I am going to assume that it was a hit. Did you like that, sweet Taz? Did you like those, baby? You want another treat? You want another treat? There you go, baby. And I guess I can't let my little girl down, can I? I don't know where that Waylon went. Now, he might not like them as much. No, I'm teasing. I know he loved them. And I think this turned out really cute. So I'm going to go deliver that here shortly. Thanks for watching, guys. And I hope that you make some treats for your dogs. Happy Foodie Friday.